Want to dominate Google in 2025? The ultimate SEO hack is turning your blog posts into videos. I'm going to show you exactly how this strategy can skyrocket your rankings in just minutes, not months. Google is prioritizing video content in search results like never before. By 2025, video will make up 82% of all internet traffic. The numbers don't lie. Pages with videos get 46% more page views and keep visitors on your site 2.6 times longer. That's exactly what search engines want to see. The strategy is simple. Repurpose your existing blog content into videos. You don't need fancy equipment or video skills. Tools like DeepReel can automatically extract key points from your URL, write scripts, and create professional videos with AI presenters in minutes. This cuts production time from days to minutes and costs by up to 90%. Here's why this works so well. Videos are 53 times more likely to rank organically in search results compared to text. They attract more backlinks naturally, which is crucial since 90% of websites fail to get organic traffic due to lack of backlinks. Plus, video content can appear in both YouTube and Google search results, doubling your visibility. Once your video is created, optimize it by keeping titles under 60 characters with keywords at the beginning. Write detailed descriptions of at least 250 words. Add captions. They improve engagement by 7% and make your content more searchable. Then distribute across multiple platforms for maximum impact. Don't wait while your competitors get ahead. You can start today with DeepReel's free trial to create your first 2 videos. Choose your best performing blog post, convert it, and watch your engagement metrics climb. The future of SEO is visual, and it's already here.